Good morning students. Lesson number 11 means एकादशः पाठः मनोराज्यस्य फलम्. Student, in Diwali vacation I gave you a story to read. What was the story? It was a story from Panchatantra. Now let's see the next story. Student, who is the composer of Panchatantra? What is the reason of Panchatantra? Listen. Pura Amara Shaktihi नाम राजा आसीत. Pura means ancient times. Raja means king. In ancient times there was a king by the name of Amar Shakti. What is the name of king? Amar Shakti. Tasya putraha vivekarahitaha shastra vimukhaha tasya means Amar Shaktehe. Putraha means sons. His sons mean sons of Amar Shakti. Vivekarahitaha means thoughtless. Shastra vimukhaha cha and had not learned any shastra. मनोरंजक कथा माध्यमेन विष्णु शर्मा नाम पंडितः तान नीतिशास्त्र पारंगतान अकरोत्. Student, one scholar name is Vishnu Sharma. तान नीतिशास्त्र पारंगतान अकरोत् made them expert in नीतिशास्त्र. How? मनोरंजक कथा माध्यमाने by teaching them with the help of many interesting stories. तदर्थं रचितानां कथानां संग्रह एव पंचतंत्र नाम्ना विख्यातः. And student, तदर्थं रचितानां means for that purpose. What is the purpose? अमर शक्तेः पुत्रान् नीतिशास्त्र पारंगतान अकरोत्. Panchatantra, a collection of stories composed only for that purpose. मित्रभेदः, मित्रसंप्राप्तिः, काकोलिकं, लब्धप्रणशाः, अपरिचितकारकम् इति तानि पंचतंत्राणि. Student, those 5 tantras are मित्रभेद, मित्रसंप्राप्ति, काकोलिकं, लब्धप्रणशाः, अपरिचितकारकम् इति. अपरिचितकारकात् स्वीकृता प्रस्तुत कथा. Student, the मनोराज्यस्य फलम story is taken from the अपरिचितकारकं तंत्रम्. अधीतेय इदं नित्यं नीतिशास्त्रं शृणोति च न प्रभाव प्राप्नोति शक्रादपि कदाचन. Shakra means Indra. The one who always study and listen to this Nitishastra is never defected even by Indra. कस्मिंचित् नगरे कःचित् स्वभाव कृपणो नाम कः अपि भिक्षुकः प्रतिवसति स्म. Student, प्रतिवसति is a lat lakarah and sm way. So is a sense of past tense. कस्मिंचित् नगरे in a certain city. कःचित् स्वभाव कृपण name for स्वभाव कृपण. भिक्षुकः means beggar. प्रतिवसति स्म means used to live. In a certain city used to live a certain beggar whose name was स्वभाव कृपणः. तेन भिक्षया प्राप्तेन सक्तुपिष्ठेन कलशः संपूरितः. सक्तुपिष्ठेन means with the satu floor. भिक्षया तृतीया विभक्ती. भिक्षया प्राप्तेन means obtained as alms. संपूरितः means pot. कलश संपूरितः means filled and कलशः संपूरितः means filled a pot. Student, तेन भिक्षया प्राप्तेन सक्तुपिष्टेन कलशः संपूरितः. He filled a pot with the flour of satu which he obtained as alms. तं च घटं नागदन्ते रज्वा बद्ध्वा तस्य अधस्तात् कटं प्रसार्य सततं तद्विषये चिन्तयन् सः सुप्तः. रज्वा is a तृतीया विभक्ती. नागदन्ते is a सप्तमी विभक्ती. बद्ध्वा is a त्वान्त अव्यय and प्रसार्य is a लेबंत अव्यय. बद्ध्वा रज्वा घटम नागदन्ते. बद्ध्वा means after hanging. Ghatam rajva, that pot with a rope. Where nagadante means to the nail or on a hook. Rajva means with a rope. After hanging that pot on the hook or nail with a rope, tasya adhastat katam prasarya. Katam means mat. Prasarya is a लेबंत अव्यय means having spread. Adhastat exactly below. What? Ghatam. Satatam tadvichaye chintayan sasuptah. Fell asleep constantly thinking about it. After hanging that pot on the hook with a rope, hanging spread a mat exactly below Ghatam, he fell asleep constantly thinking about it. सह अचिंतयत. अचिंतयत लंग लकारः. He thought. घटः तावत् सक्तुपिष्ठेन वर्तते. This pot is filled with satu flour. यदि दुर्भिक्षं भवति. स्वभावकृपणः चिन्तयति. स्वभावकृपण थॉट. यदि दुर्भिक्षं भवति तर्हि अस्य विक्रयेण रूप्यकाणां 100 प्राप्स्यामि. प्राप्स्यामि is a लूट लकारः. यह भविष्यकालः means second future tense. यदि means if. दुर्भिक्षं means famine. शतं means 100. रूप्यकाणां means 100 rupees. प्राप्स्यामि means I will get. Student, he thought, if there is a famine, I shall get 100 rupees by selling it. Vikrayena means, asya vikrayena means by selling it. So what will he do with the 100 rupees? He thought, tatah tena aham ajadvayam kreshami. Kreshami means buy. Ajadvayam means pair of goat. Ajadvayam, aja means goat and ajadvayam means pair of goat. Then with that I shall buy pair of goat. Tatah then षाण्मासिक प्रसववशात् ताभ्यां युतः भविष्यति. क्रेष्यामि and भविष्यति is a root lakarah means second future tense. Then after 6 months षाण्मासिक प्रसववशात् of their प्रसववशात् means procreation ताभ्यां युतः भविष्यति. There will be a flock. Bhavishyati means will be ततः अजाभिः प्रभूतां धेनुः ग्रहीष्यामि. With the goats I shall buy many cows. ग्रहीष्यामि is a लूट लकार. धेनुभिः महिषी. With the cows I shall buy buffaloes. महिषीभिः वडवा. With the buffaloes I shall buy mares. वडवा प्रसवतः प्रभूताः अश्वाः भविष्यन्ति. भविष्यन्ति is a लूट लकारः. The mare will give birth to a lot of horses. तेषां विक्रयणात् प्रभूतं सुवर्णं प्राप्स्यामि. प्राप्स्यामि is a future tense, second future tense. I shall obtain. विक्रयणात् प्रभूतं means selling horse. I shall obtain lots of gold. सुवर्ण means gold. सुवर्णेन चतुःशाला गृहं सम्पत्स्यते. With the gold there will be a mansion with 4 buildings. ततः कश्चित् धनिकः प्राप्तवयस्कां रूपाढ्यां कन्यां मह्यं दास्यति. प्राप्तवयस्कां means marriageable daughter, marriageable age. ततः कश्चित् धनिकः प्राप्तवयस्कां रूपाढ्यां कन्यां मह्यं दास्यति. प्राप्तवयस्कां means marriageable age. रूपाढ्या means beautiful. कन्या means daughter. And dhanikah means rich person. Then a certain rich person will give. Dasyati means will give his beautiful daughter of marriageable age. Avayoh putrah bhavishyati. Bhavishyati is a future tense. Both of us will have a son. तस्याहं सोमशर्मा इति नाम करिष्यामि. करिष्यामि is a लूट लकारः. I shall name him as सोमशर्मा. ततः स जानुचलनयोग्यः भविष्यति. Who is सोमशर्मा? Who is सोमशर्मा? सोमशर्मा is the son of Swabhavakrupa. In dreaming, only in dreaming. When he जानुचलनयोग्यं योग्यः means जानुचलनयोग्यं means able to crawl. Then he means Somasharma. Who is the Somasharma? Son of Swabhavakrupa. Then Somasharma will be able to crawl on the knees. एकदा सोमशर्मा मां दृष्ट्वा मत्समीपम् आगमिष्यति. मां means स्वभावकृपणः. दृष्ट्वा is a वान्त अव्यय. आगमिष्यति is a लूट लकारः means द्वितीय भविष्यकालः, second future tense. Once after seeing me means स्वभावकृपणः. सोमशर्मा will come. आगमिष्यति means will come near me. मत्समीपम means near me. Once after seeing me सोमशर्मा will come near me. ततः अहं कोपाविष्टः अभिधास्यामि भार्या. अभिधास्यामि is a लूट लकारः. ततः अहं then I will angry say to my wife. कोपाविष्ट means angrily. रुआन् बालकं take the boy. सा अपि मम वचनं न श्रोष्यति. श्रोष्यति is a लूट लकारः. श्रोष्यति means here आणि न श्रोष्यति means not hear. She also will not hear my words. तावत् काले कश्चन कुक्कुरः तत्र आगमिष्यति. आगमिष्यति is a लूट लकारः. कुक्कुरं means dog. तावत् काले means that time. कश्चन means certain. By that time a certain dog will come there. सोमशर्मा तस्मात् भीतः भविष्यति. Again भविष्यति is a लूट लकारः. सोमशर्मा will be afraid. भीतः भविष्यति means will be afraid. तस्मात् of the dog. ततः अहं समुत्थाय लगूडेन तं कुक्कुरं ताडयिष्यामि. Samutthaya means after getting up quickly. Lagudena tadayishyami. Tadayishyami means I shall hit kukkuram lagudena. Kukkuram means that dog. And lagudena is tritiya vibhakti, so meaning is with a stick. Then after getting up quickly, I shall hit that dog with a stick. And student, what happened? एवं स्वप्नमग्नः ध्यानस्थितः हु स्वभावकृपणः तथैव लगूढप्रहारम् अकरोत्. अकरोत् is a लकार, past tense. ध्यानस्थितः means engrossed. स्वप्नमग्नः ध्यानस्थितः means engrossed in the dream. So तथैव लगूढप्रहारम् अकरोत्. लगूढ means stick. He who was thinking struck a blow with the stick. What happened, student? तेन लगूढप्रहारेण सक्तुपिष्टेन पूर्ण सघटः भग्नः अभवत्. Student, due to the blow of the stick, the pot filled with sattu flour was broken. And स्वभावकृपणः पाण्डुरताम् अगच्छत्. And स्वभावकृपण become white. अतः ब्रवीमि, therefore I say, अनागतवतीं चिन्ताम् असम्भाव्यां करोति यः स एव पाण्डुरः शेते सोमशर्मा पिता यथा. He who was sleep over something yet he comes or something impossible get whitened, just like Soma Sharma's father was sleeping. Student, this is the last lecture of lesson number 11, Manorajyasya Phalam. Read the lesson 3 times. What is the moral of the story? We should plan but don't do daydreaming.